Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is HClO4. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
So now we're going to work on problem 61 from chapter 8. In this problem, we're asked about how much perchloric acid would be required to titrate a certain volume and concentration of sodium hydroxide to reach the equivalence point. Or we know the amount of volume, but we want to know the concentration. And then we're provided the reaction, which we can reproduce here. So we have perchloric acid, HClO4, reacting with sodium hydroxide to produce water, and sodium perchlorate, NaClO4. Now this reaction is important just so we can know the stoichiometric ratio between the reactants. So we're given the volume and concentration of sodium hydroxide, so we can multiply those together to get the moles of sodium hydroxide. So we have 0.2000 moles of NaOH per liter. So we multiply by liters, we get 0. We have 22.62 milliliters, so 0.02262 liters. So that gives us moles of sodium hydroxide. So we can multiply by our ratio here. So 1 mole of HClO4 to 1 mole of sodium hydroxide. So that will give us moles of perchloric acid. And now we just want to know the concentration. So we're given the volume. So we divide by the volume. So we get 0.02500 liters, which is the same as 25 milliliters. And then, so you can see that moles of sodium hydroxide cancels, liters cancels, and then we have moles of perchloric acid over volume, which is equal to molarity. So when we do this calculation, we get 0.1810 molar HClO4 is our answer.